Grant was diagnosed with leukemia about a year ago and has been having intensive treatment for much of that time since then.
Honestly, going into it, we didn't really think we would end up where we are. He was still very much our rough and tumble, rowdy little boy. They came in right away and told us that he had B-cell lymphoblastic leukemia. And then that began like the long journey of treatment.
When we see Grant, he arrives playful and ready to show us who he is.
Grant is everybody's best friend, the type of kiddo that knows no stranger. He's ready to play with just about anybody. Always down for, any kind of a sport. He loves his video games.
We knew that Grant would really enjoy receiving one of the characters that they do with the 3D print lab.
This project is super fun. For Grant, we got to make him his own action figure.
He really enjoys Thor in particular as his favorite superhero, and actually his dog at home is named Thor.
I knew right away it would be something that Grant could get behind.
I met him over in the infusion center. I scanned his head in 3D, and then we also use a secondary camera. Grant did a great job. He was really excited. The great thing about the software that we get to use is once we have the file, we can manipulate it in any direction. Make sure that all the actual surfaces are the way that we want them. After all the work is done, we send it to the 3D printer, and it spends about 2 hours printing off the actual object. Once it's all cleaned up, we fit the head onto the action figure, and it is ready for them in delivery.
When Grant received his action figure at the clinic, it was really special getting to have, my husband there and our other 3 children getting to be a part of that, because Grant was eager and excited to show them the clinic that he goes to. Just really meaningful to have our entire family there.
Special delivery.
Everyone knows him there, so it was really special to have such a large gathering of the nurses and staff come and see him for that day.
Helmet off.
Look at my head! It has a hat?
I remember him saying during treatment afterwards that he was so excited to put it on his shelves in his bedroom. And that's where he displays all of his favorite things, and so he was so excited to have Thor get his own spot on the shelf.
It's been a pleasure to work with Grant and his family and helping have this extra special day for him. It reminds us that we're coming to make a difference, helps us focus on why we're here each day.